to consulting cost modeling. So in this title, we are going to discuss about lot of points related to constructive cost modeling. Here the COCOMO model it is a family of empirical methods based on the analysis of project of different companies. Here COCOMO 81, it is invented 1981 up to COCOMO 2 1999 2000. This is the long history about COCOMO 1981 to 2000. It is extended to cover different development process and other aspects such as quality, cost effective quality model. The model is, the COCOMO is based on the physical measure that 1981, it is physical measure only. How many project, how many line of code, how long the execution, source line of the code, how long the execution is taken, like that it is counted. But estimate become more precise as we move with development. The estimation error. Initial estimations can be wrong by factor of 4. And as we move with the development process, estimation become more precise. And it take account more detailed parameter. Here lot of formula also taken for this account. General structure of COCOMO, the output equal to A dot size of B dot M. Here COCOMO model have the same basic structure in COCOMO 81 to 1999, 2000. The output can be effort or time. The fundamental measure is code of size, and code of size an exponential effect on effort and size. It is very close to 1. Here various adjustment factors are used to make the model more precise. So COCOMO 81 introductions, it is combinations of 3 model in a different level of detail and complexity. Basic, quick estimation, early development stage. Intermediate, more accurate, and need some product characteristics, more measured development stage. It is in COCOMO 2. Advanced is COCOMO 2, most detail, required more information. Intermediate, constructive cost model. The basic, always the introductions of the COCOMOs. COCOMO model, 1 person month equal to 152 work hours. And SLOC is DSI, it is delivered source instruction. Deliver source instruction code delivered to the client. Example, unit test, conventional code and utilities. So the life cycle is first documentation, then design, after coding, after that testing. Okay, after testing, the code delivered to the client. The COCOMO 81 type of projects, the COCOMO distinguished among three different types. One is organic, semi-detected, embedded. The organic is small team, it is familiar environment. So normally the public are used that project, all the projects they used organic. Well understood application, simple non-functional requirement. It is easy also. Semi-detected may have experience mixture system may be more significant non-functional constraints, and organizations may have less familiarity with the application. It is in a harder. Embedded tight constraint include including local regulations and operational procedures unusual for team have deep application experience. It is hard. So that is three type: organic, semi-detected, embedded. So COCOMO 81 basic model PM equal to APM dot KSLOC B power P B PM. So T DEV equal to A PV of PM power P T DEV. So where the KLOC, thousands of delivery of source line of code, the M is equal to 1. Then organic, so here organic, A is 2.4, P is 1.05, then A is 2.5, B is 0.38. Semi-detected 3, 1.12, then A is 2.5, then B is 0.35. Embedded 3.6, 1.2, 2.5 and 0.32. So here exponential effect of the graph, effort versus size. Here application example, estimate of 50 KDSI for organic project, project management, team development, team. So here 2.4 of 50 power 1.5, it is equal to 146 month, 146 mm. Team development 2.5, 371 power 0.338, it is equal to 16 month. Team 371.51 divided by 23.69, it is 9%. The team consists of 9%. That estimate 50 KDSI for the organic project, 16 months is required to develop and 146 days mm. So it is required. The effort in different project parameter. So the all calculations is there. Team is 8.8, then 14.1 for semi-detected, and based on the formula you have to calculate and put the approximate value and explain. Here intermediate COCOMO, that is COCOMO 2, it is uses more fine-grained characterizations which uses attribute to take into account the function and functional requirement and project attribute. The effort multipliers are organized in 4 classes and 15 sub-items. The importance of each attribute is qualitative evaluated between 1 and 6. 1 is in low, very low, and 6 is in very high. The each value corresponds to multiplier in range 0.7, 1.66. Always multiplier is less than 1 implies it is an reduced cost. And all values are multiplied together to modulate effort. So here COCOMO 81 intermediate model, some formula are there. Based on this formula you have to calculate the given value organic and semi-structure and embedded values given below. Based on that you have to calculate the effort adjustment factor. that is product attribute and computer attribute, personal attribute you have to calculate. Here very low, low and nominal, high, very high and extra high. So it is an intermediate model parameters. This parameter you have to use and calculate the value. And then personal attribute, project attribute also is there. Accordingly you have to, based on the value, you have to calculate the constructive cost model. Attribute equal to product means relay into data into C flux. Then computer means time into storage into VART into return. Tone, TURN. And personal means AC, AP into AEXP into PCAP and VEXP into LEXP. So the product means model P into tool into SCED. So this impact of the parameter is between 0.9 to 73.28. So here the project manager estimate the value parameter to predict the actual effort. For example, so here the required software reliability is low and the predicated effort is 0.8 of the one computed with the basic formula. So here COCOMO 81 detailed model. So that COCOMO 2 detailed model also is there. COCOMO basic 81 detailed model also is there. It is COCOMO basic 81 detailed model. So it is a multiplier for each development phase and organize the parameters hierarchically to simplify the computations of the system made of several modules. Here projects are organized in 4 phases. 4 phases: PRD, that is requirement planning, product design, and DD, detailed design, and code and unit test, CUT, and integrated test. So these are all the project organization for 4 types and phases. So here EM are given and estimated per phases, and phase data is then aggregated to get the total estimation. Here COCOMO 81 advanced model rating and RPD, DD, CUD and IT value are given. Rating is very low, low, normal, high, very high. So here accordingly some value example parameters are given. Based on the example parameter you have to calculate the values. So here COCOMO maintenance phase. COCOMO model can be applied to predict effort during the system maintenance. So the small updated and repaired during the operational life of the system. So the every MNC is handled that project maintenance phase. The most of the development parameters apply both to develop and maintenance. The SCED and relay RELY and model P. So here one essential input is estimations of the ACD. Here it is COCOMO 81 maintenance, ACT equal to percentage of added, percentage of modified divided by 100. You will get how much percentage maintenance is made in that particular programming or particular projects. COCOMO 2. So the COCOMO 2 build up COCOMO 81 to take into account. It is an constructive cost model, advanced, new development process, increased flexibility in software development, and need for decision making with incomplete information and new data about projects. So these are all COCOMO 2. Here COCOMO 2 incorporates a range of submodels so that produce increasingly detailed software estimate. The submodel COCOMO 2 are application composition model, it is prototype, early design model used when requirement are available but design